What is the procedure and general process for bladeless LASIK? As usual, we evaluate the patient and first determine if they're a good candidate. We run a host of examinations, everything from anterior segment examinations to make sure that the patient has got a healthy eye, both in the surface of the eye as well as in the curvature of the cornea, the thickness of the cornea, the health of the tissue inside the eye, as well as the retina, the lens. And once we determine through a whole battery of tests, which takes anywhere from an hour, hour and a half, we then determine if you're a good candidate. When we do the bladeless LASIK, we have many advantages, and one of them is the fact that we have a consistent, very thin flap that allows for, number one, better healing, quicker visual recovery, and more stability in terms of the refraction after the procedure, which means that the patient's quicker healing and visual recovery manifests itself in better vision overall. Also, there is even a less chance of needing an enhancement after the procedure, which regular LASIK has a higher percentage of needing enhancements. Another big advantage that we have with bladeless LASIK is the fact that when these flaps are made with the laser, they're done at such an angle where cells have a very hard time to introduce themselves through the side of the flaps. As a result, there's much less of a chance of complications with ingrowth or flap melts. So there's many advantages that we're able to benefit from using bladeless LASIK. So why should you choose the Advanced Laser Center? I feel that, number one, we offer by far the most extensive evaluation and workup for our patients. We do the dilated exam, and not only does it give us a better and more accurate assessment of the power in the eye, but also we're able to look at the retina to make sure that the retina is in good shape and that there is no retinal tears or any other disease process, which again you cannot do unless you do a dilated examination. In addition to that, we also have a innovative technology where we're able to actually measure the strength of the cornea biomechanically. There's only one machine that can do that, and so far in Oklahoma City, we are the only center and have been offering this advanced technology of measuring the biomechanical strength of the cornea for the past 5 years. And basically we're the first ones in the city and then in the state to adopt this new technology. And this allows us to be able to determine whether or not, again, is LASIK a better procedure for you or not. And in many cases, we have been able to save people from developing problems in the future by recommending a different procedure. So for those reasons, in terms of our evaluation, we are by far head and shoulders above many of the other centers because of the technology and the thoroughness in which we perform our examinations. So we have a lot of advantages in terms of what we're able to offer our patients and their care. How can you get some more information about the Advanced Laser Center? Look us up on the internet at www.alcok.com, or you could give us a call and make an appointment at 405-751-4774.